Hello everyone, welcome to Chirags MySQL DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install MySQL and create database user and access in Ubuntu. So I have already installed a Ubuntu server, that's Ubuntu server 22.04 LTS, and IP is 192.168.177.129. So this is my IP address for one server. So I'm just going to install on that server. So uh, first I will just go through the update packages. So let me access my Ubuntu server. So go to your command prompt or uh, uh, any tool like SSH or putty, you can access your server. So I'm going to access my Ubuntu server here. So IP wise 192.168.177.129. Let me access SSH. My username, so Ubuntu server username is this one, 192.168.177.129. This is my IP address for the server. So just connect with that. So password for the server admin@123. I have put it as default password, so I am able to log in with my Ubuntu server. So I'm going for the sudo user. Now server is accessed. So this is my Ubuntu server. Next, to install and update the packages, just run this command. So this is my command, just control copy, and I'm going to run this command. So update packages is completed. Next is to install the MySQL server, just run this below command. So I'm running this command for the installing MySQL server. Let me copy that. So it will ask you the permission. Why? So MySQL is started. Installation is started. Let it complete. We'll go through the documentation. So now I'm going to start the MySQL service. So this is the command systemctl start MySQL, and this is a command we can get the status of MySQL. So after installation completed, I have to start the MySQL, then I'll check the MySQL status, and then I'll just connect with the other thing. So let it complete. So installation is completed. Next, let me start MySQL. This is the command to start the MySQL. So started. Let me get the status. So systemctl status is active and running. So MySQL is running. Now next, I'm just going with MySQL form. So MySQL, I'm logged in. So now I'm just creating user for root. sorry, I'm just altering user root to for the local host to with the password. Semicolon affected. Now I'm going to exit and I'm going to try to log in. So exit, and here I'll write mysql minus u my user minus p password. So if I'll put the direct enter without password, then it will give you the error access denied for user root. So here I'm just going to give the password. So I'm able to log in. So databases. So these are the databases available till now. So next, run the security script for the sudo. So I'm just going for the security script. Exit. So enter user root password admin 123. Here this is asking for the set of the validate password component. I'm putting yes. And password I'm putting low for now, and change the password of the root. I don't want to change. And remove anonymous user. No, I'm not disallow remote login. No. And this will be yes for your production. I'm just going for the testing, so I'm not removing anything. Remove test database, no. And reload the privileges, yes. So all done. So this part is done. Now I'm just going to create a dedicated user, MySQL user, and grant permission. So this is the command. With that, I just log in with my SQL font, and I'll create the user. So I'm creating a user. This command, Chirag user with the password. So create user for the local host, and this is a local host created by identify the by password. This one is the password. So create it. Then after that, I'm giving the permission to this particular user. So this is the command. So whenever you are creating the user, you should give the permission. What are the permission you want to give? Only read, write, or alter, drop, update. There is a multiple permissions are there. So you can give the permission. I have given all the permission for that. And I'm going to release the memory, whatever the memory used by this command. So, and then I'm going to exit. So installation is completed, and user is also completed. Now I'm trying to log in with the new user. So mysql minus u, the username is Chirags, and minus p. So I'll put enter, then it will give you the error access denied. Without password it won't work. So let me give the password. So databases. So I'm able to access with the this new user. So this is the way I can access the user. So in this video we have learned how to install MySQL and create user and access from that new user in Ubuntu. So installing process, as every steps is defined already there. So go through the steps, and quite easy to install MySQL in Ubuntu and create user and access the to the database. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.